You are the one that I was doing that for government base over there. Government base. Oh, okay. He's been thrown out somewhere. How are you?
Fine.
All are fine?
Yes.
Arush, a long time when we you. Where are you? Where? Hyderabad. That's a holiday, vacation. How are you? Great, huh? What is that? Sure. Sure. Okay. Sure. Sure. What square feet are you?
Wait a minute. Cosec theta minus.
Cosec theta minus is wrong.
Cosec square theta minus.
Okay, sit down. Go and drop the ball and sit down.
Sir, homework सबने करा है. कुछ लोगों को बहुत सारा.
सबने किया.
Yes.
बहुत सारा आपसे क्या मतलब?
अगर तो तीन.
अच्छा तीन लोग तो
चलना. You learn now? What is it?
10.
Everything is your. I'll tell him to give. Full time to go. Japan se laaya because Japan class sitting already.
Sir, you said don't use that pen.
Don't use that pen means don't use it only.
What do you use?
You use the pen. The pen use it, but no need to. Okay. Yeah. Then learn now. What is cosec square theta? Yes. What is sec theta? Yes. What is tan theta?
Order three.
Whatever you know, then
Tan theta one.
I know. Then.
So okay, all 1/40 theta.
Then.
Opposite side upon pages inside.
Then. We learn said now. We on the bottom and even this. Then this. Okay, tan theta. What is tan square theta?
So theta is so sec square theta minus 1.
Then what is tan theta?
That's
Root of
Root of sec square theta
learn now.
Yes.
Sure. I think so. What is cos square theta? Cos square theta.
What's
Square theta.
sin square theta minus?
Wrong.
Sir,
What is?
1 minus sin square theta.
Learn. Which you learn now. Yes or no? Okay, what is x square theta? Wrong. Learn. Okay, what is cos x square theta? It's a direct.
नहीं मैं खुद को मैं जान कर
You notice this.
It's very difficult to work less.
Sure. What is cos x?
Hypotenuse upon opposite.
Sure. Get them down. So learn. So what is that for? In the hundred, tell. One minus. Then things are there all. I will not do it finish. So then I'm getting like along. Okay, what is the experiment? That will go. Okay. What is the experiment? Experiment and transference is related. You won't take it down. So, yes, what is the experiment? You want to get more picture? You got to revise. How does it go to or theta has gone? That is square is not a cot theta ratio. Okay. Right now, you put this one kind of computer. Sit down.
Yes, sir.
Six square theta. Oh. Six square goes six square anyway. So sorry, you're not learn. Yeah. Sit down, all of you. Still revision has to do it. Okay, what are the doubts and difficulties? You have made out? Tell. Yes. You remaining you did yourself? Take out only one question out. Neera, you got only one question out now. Again, how many questions? Neera, how many questions you have doubts? Only one question. Remaining all you know it. Yes, very good. You did yourself now. Copy. Today she did not have cheek copy from here and there. Okay. What happened there? Has come fast. Yeah. I tell who has the doubt. What is the doubt? Question number 8. That only now. Remaining on nothing is doubt. Okay. Question number 16. Neera, come here. Neera, come here. Bring, come here. Pass, come here. Keep the notebook and all. We bring, come over here. Come here. Read the question. Read the question, what you doubt. Hey, read the question.
Yeah. 1 plus 48 plus
1 plus cot A plus tan A. 1 plus cot A plus tan A. 1 plus cot A plus tan A in brackets. Put
So
in
this is
brackets.
17 points.
Put in brackets.
Yeah.
Times.
It's a bracket. Sin A minus cos
Sin A minus cos A.
is equal to sin A tan A
Is equal to sin A tan A
minus cot A cos.
minus cot
Sin
A
A
tan A minus cot A cos A. Okay, do it.
Huh?
Then, but then
Okay.
you did everything. I asked 4 times. Did you do everything yourself? You said everything you did yourself. Now. Who's that? Anuj, quite easy. Who is that? Sin A minus cos A only now.
Yes, sir. Pero todo es como Sir, it's leaking.
It's leaking, take another pen. Completed.
No.
Started.
Sir, is this correct?
Over. Let's answer. That is RHS.
नहीं वो RHS भी देखना है ना.
RHS देख.
हाँ तो ये करेक्ट है क्या बताओ ना.
Hello.
करेक्ट
What?
सही है क्या?
Done.
हाँ RHS भी है.
RHS निकला. This is why we have done the question now.
हाँ.
Bring the notebook here. अरे यार.
Not very good.
And check what you have done.
सर मैंने वही तो.
Yeah. हाँ वही. Not copied ना.
सर मैं एक.
हाँ. So that means copied from somewhere ना. Sir did. What
But
was?
related to pairs of negatives.
Now look here. This is the form. A square plus B square plus AB. A minus B times. This can be written as A cube minus B cube sin cube A minus cos cube A upon sin A cos A. Are you followed each other?
Yes sir.
Okay. Then separate sin cube A upon sin A cos A minus cos cube A upon sin A cos A. Who is talking there? One sign is cancelled, so it is sin square. That can be written as sin A upon cos A into sin A. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Minus this one cos is cancelled square. Cos square I also break into cos A upon sin A into cos A. So are you getting the answer? Sin A by cos A, tan A, sin A. Cos A by sin A, cot A, cos A, RHS. Okay.
Yes.
Who has the doubt? Further.
Sir, it's
Actually, A plus B, that question is a complementary. He copied everything and is coming RHS basically. Who is the please? Who is that talking? All quiet means I know Saina. Everyone is scared of Saina. Others always say, if Neera talks already, Neera. When Saina talks, nobody is going for it. You terrorize me, girl. She said, you also scared of her.
Never.
You will not tell the name of that.
Friend.
Friend. Oh. Okay. So the others are not friends.
Sir, dominance.
You dominating. Oh. Okay, that only I said no. Okay. Now, what is looking at that 18th question is complementary one. No need to do.
Sir, कितनी करवाना?
Understood? Complementary one it is A plus B, 90 minus A. You can do it, but complementary angle relation.
So which one?
Okay, 18th question. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
You are, what is the way to do means A plus B is equal to 90 means B can be written as 90 minus A. Then put the value wherever 90 minus A replace. So tan B means tan 90 minus A. Here tan 90 minus A is cot A. Cot B means cot 90 minus A. Here cot 90 minus A is equal to tan A. Like that. Okay, so since complementary is not there, no need to do. Any other question you have out? Complementary ones are not there. You did not? What is that? Okay. All the doubts are over now.
Yes, sir.
Anyone having a problem? Any other problems you have? They'll not ask.
No, sir.
They use it to a lot of people have lot of doubt.
Not that
It's a linear equation.
he just showed me 3 questions and he was like, he will go
Who
back
can, who's got 3 questions?
to
Aryan, exercise 8.4, all of you are done.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Half the people doesn't ask the clarification doubt. Test paper mark is not there.
Trigonometry marks.
What? Trignometry markers now.
No, that's why.
So 8 cards are going to come now.
Next week.
Next to next week.
I have to like now. I will give after 9.
Okay now.
I will do trigonometric exam after my school like
Done. What, any other doubts anywhere, any chapter?
Yes.
What is the other doubt? What is the doubt?
Just find out.
What find out now?
Linear equation.
This is all done. It's discussed in the class now. I tell no. What is it? Read it.
This solved example.
35 y come.
25 by.
25 y is come. The LCM taken now.
So sir, why
5 into 5 is 25 now.
Only one term is another term.
So LCM take common denominator means what? 5 has to multiply now. LCM have you heard about LCM? LCM. Okay. Read the question. This type of question, how many times we have done?
Sir, we have but
Then
when I saw ax minus ay is equal to
is equal to AB.
a plus b, a plus b.
So finally done. Okay. Now make the coefficients. First equation multiply by A. Second equation multiply by B. Are you followed?
Why?
Y means make the coefficient same. You are there when the elimination method was there.
Sir, it says to go with substitution.
We then do it by then tell now when substitution, if we need substitution. Ax is equal to A minus B minus By. X is equal to A minus B minus By divided by A. Are you followed? Substitute in the second equation. We still Sina is talking now.
Yes.
Yes, sir. अच्छा, office हमने ना
So open the bracket and LCM take. B will be multiplied. Are you following? This girl minus B square minus B square y minus A square y is equal to A square plus AB. Are you followed? First multiplied and open, then you can see simplification. So then now the very part you followed now. Okay. So you will get x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1. Any other problem?
No.
You had said a lot of
So I also have a doubt.
Read question.
or x upon a plus y upon b equals to a plus b.
Mhm.
Second, x upon a square plus y upon b square.
Multiply by AB, so bx plus ay is equal to a square b plus ab square. So same way b square x plus a square y is equal to 2a square. You said that. What is the problem for you?
So it's an illegal substitution.
I don't know.
So you do it by any method. Which method you want now? Which method you want now? Okay. So you wanted substitution now, then I am doing elimination method. I not started the method. Now this much is clear. Okay, then find out bx is equal to a square b plus ab square minus ay. So this x will come divided by b. Are you followed now? Okay, replace the next equation. B square into a square b plus ab square minus ay upon b minus plus a square y is equal to 2a square. 2a square.
Continuously run.
No, you don't take any pen. Keep the. I'll tell you what to do. Now you are not writing anything now. Okay. Learn how to without doing. Oh, keep the. You should not remove this hand from there. Okay. Have you followed? So you can see this will go, this will go, this will remain. What is common between them? So what you can take common? AY. Yes or no? Minus B plus A is equal to that. This will go, this one means it will come as 2a square, that is a square, b square minus a b cube. What you can take common? A and b square. So what is left out? A minus b. See? Cancellation done. This y equal to b square. Now should I do the remaining one? Should I do the remaining one? Okay, happy. Your problem solved. Who else having the problem? Yes, what is your problem?
The difference of two natural numbers is 5 and the difference of their reciprocal is 1/10. Find the number.
1/10. Difference of two natural numbers.
5.
So you can take the greater number is x, smaller number is y. So x minus y is equal to
5.
okay. Now difference of the reciprocal, listen carefully. Which is the greater number? This one.
X.
So 1 by y minus 1 by x is equal to 5. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Because the smaller reciprocal means what? Smaller and bigger will interchange. Now you know how to do it.
Yes, sir.
It's actually not for quadrilateral equations. Quadratic equations. Because it's a lot, it will be quadratic form it will come when it's substitute. Okay.
I also have a doubt.
Okay, your problem solved. Yes, Vedant, what is your doubt?
Yes, sir. Cos 45 upon sec 30 plus cos sec 30.
Cos 45 is 1 upon root 2 upon sec 30, no? Sec 30
Yes, sir.
is 2 by root
2
3.
by root 3
Then plus.
plus 2 cos sec 30.
So then make in the form. This is equal to root 3 divided by 2 root 2 plus 2. Understood or not?
Yes,
or
sir.
no? This is
Yes, sir.
LCM root 3 plus 2 to the 4 root 2 divided by 2 root 2. This also followed.
Yes, sir.
Then multiply by root 2. Rationalizing. That is equal to root 6 plus 8 divided by 4. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I don't have like this.
I don't have this to like this question. You have to ask your doubt.
Yes, sir.
Question. Your problem, Chesta followed any problem. Sign up or not. Sign up practicing now. All answers getting now.
What chapter?
Whichever chapter you are doing.
Huh.
Because you don't ask any doubts, no doubts.
The पूछती थी ना मैं. Yes, sir, I asked him.
Your doubts are over.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Anyone? Yeah.
Yes, but not.
Yeah, tell now first, please.
Find C, the system of C.
Huh?
Find C in the system of equation Cx plus 3y
Cx plus 3y.
plus 3 minus C equals to 0 and 12x plus cy minus c equals to 0 has infinitely many solutions. Find C.
So A1 by A2 equal to B. This we have done now in terms of C. A1. C by 12 is equal to 3 by C is equal to 3 minus C upon minus C. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Then take first two. That is C square is equal to 36. Therefore C is equal to plus or minus 6. What is going on here? Sinus standard.
So it's down.
Sinus standard. Is it shift to the other side?
No.
Shift to the other side.
Down.
The come.
Okay, fine.
No problem. I'll be moved to the side.
So there is
Sinus standard. Full time.
Sir, it's down. So I'm going to go to
Come on to the other side.
Okay.
What sinus? No. Who then will ask?
So all the
That goes.
then we have to take second and third.
You got this one now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, take any two. These two we take.
Yes,
Okay. Minus 3c is equal to 3c minus c square. C square minus 6c is equal to 0. C times c minus 6 is equal to 0. C is equal to 0, c is equal to 2. Okay, so now from these two, what is the common answer? That is the answer. This is 6 or minus 6, this is 0 or 6. What is the common value? 6. Answer is 6. What is your doubt? Tell me. Then what are you talking to her all the time? Huh? Confirming. Actually, what I did is correct or wrong.
No, not that. Different question.
Different question. Ask clarify the doubts now. About the doubts clarification done. Everyone's problem solved. What is? Tell us. Please.
Okay. So this is sir in exercise 3.2 like we had question 4, 5, 6, 7 about the shaded triangle one. Sir, so are we going to have that?
Why not?
Yeah.
What is the problem there? Why is it not there?
No,
Reason.
like it had a graph paper also.
So graph paper they will give you not one. Why graph is not there in the syllabus? Graph is there in the syllabus now. Then what's the problem? Graph is there in the syllabus now. Then what is the problem? Actually, you are not done, so you have to do it. Okay. Any problem? Any other problem? Any other problem? And these all done in the classroom. What are you doing? Okay. So trigonometry done. Practice you have to do it because these are main chapters I am doing. Main chapters you have to do it. Next chapter we have to do now. Right. Arithmetic progression. Somebody you only want to know. Huh?
Both quadratic question and arithmetic progression.
What do you want to take a minute? Arithmetic progression. Maths
No. It wasn't nine.
Nine standard. When you come, you will be
10th standard is
What is the problem in the 10th standard maths? 10th standard is complex.
Arithmetic progression is chapter 5.
Written, arithmetic chapter name written, arithmetic progression. Write the chapter name. Arithmetic progression. Comparatively, it's an easy chapter. No, yeah, when I do this one, then you tell, sir, it is difficult. That is difficult. I don't know. Written.
Yes, sir.
Arithmetic progression, spelling and all written correct now.
Yes, sir.
Till now, people doesn't know what the spelling of trigonometry. Yeah, correct.
Yes,
What's the name? That's okay. Okay. Another one is there. Okay. German. Okay. I know. Meaning of China, you know. What's the meaning?
No.
Yes, possible.
It's cute.
Huh?
It's cute.
You.
No, cute.
Correct, CUT, cute. Cute prince.
No.
Okay, princess. Now you will call her princess. Okay. Princess Saina. Okay. Chopra. Chalo, listen all of you. Written arithmetic progression.
Yes.
Close that volume. Close the volume, I said. Keep it separately now.
Oh my God.
All of you listen. Okay, all of you listen. Half of the people, something is over there. Take the pen from this. Remove now. Close it now. It's nothing is going to happen. Actually, in between, like I asked question, I have to offer and this is called cheating. Why? Those who are keeping pen inside, those who are keeping book inside, it is all cheating. Reason I tell you, because why the reason why are you keeping the pen over there? Reason tell me. Can I ask anything? Don't worry, we are in good time. Okay. So, arithmetic progression again, this is a part of one topic we are going to do. It's the part is called sequence and series. Sequence and series is there. It's basic part only using. The remaining part it is going in the 11th standard. Okay. Here, arithmetic progression has different progressions. Arithmetic progression or AP. It is one is AP, another one is GP, another one is HP. GP means geometric progression, HP means harmonic progression. These are not there for you in the 10th standard. You have only one cell term, it is there on arithmetic. ICSE got GP also. There different, okay, the format. These are certain patterns are coming. So these are the part of one topic is called, what is the topic name? Sequence and series. Sequence and series. Now this sequence and series, certain parts are there which you are done in, let's say not done, but we use lot of places. Like in any competitive exams, if we do, you will see the pattern of numbers. There will be 4 numbers. Find the next 2 numbers. Find the next 3 numbers. Like that it is there now. Okay, pattern will be given. Okay, this. Find the next 3 numbers. Okay. Then these are called the sequence of numbers. For example, it is coming as 3, 7, 11, etc. Can you tell me what is the next number? Huh? Prime number. How did you? So 3 plus 4. Plus 4. Then what is it? Plus 4, 15, plus 4. So find out that pattern. Understood or not? Now, if it is given as this way. So what is it? This is what? Into 2, into 2, into 2. So it is next is into 2. What happened? Let's check now. It is a 1. How did you get? Into 2. Okay now. So what is the next number? 16. What is the next number? Okay, understood or not? Okay, yes, this way different patterns are coming. Here is coming as 1 multiplied by divided by 2. Next will be 1 by 8. Next is 1 by 16. 1 by 32. This another pattern is coming. Okay. Next is if I write it as this way. Divide by 2 means 1 by 4. Divide by 2 means 1 by 8. Divide by 2 means 1 by 16. So 1 by 3, 1 by 4.
1 by 5.
1 by 5, 1 by 6, 1 by 7. How did you get that one? Adding 1 to the denominator, not adding. Here it was each term is added or multiplied or divided, but only denominators. Are you following the pattern? Okay, there is another one. Sorry, we don't read it.
Sir, why?
24.
How do you get 24?
Sir, I added like plus 3 then plus 5.
It's a 24.
So you can get us, there are different ways you can do it. One is coming as 1 square minus 1. 2 square minus 1. Square of the number. Next number of this number is, what is the next number? 1. Next number is what? 4. Next number is 9. So square of the number minus 1. 25 minus 1. 24. Next number will be 36 minus 1. Isn't it? This is 1 square minus 1. This is 2 square minus 1. 3 square minus 1. What is 3 square minus 1? 8. 4 square minus 1. 15. 5 square minus 1. 6 square minus 1. These are different patterns. This is different. That is not different. There are common ways, different ways you can do. Okay, you are easy. Okay. Listen for your easy mind. Okay, next time I'll ask you question which is easier. Third example, do you know what is the third example? But divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. That is easy question. Okay. Understood now? Okay. But it was easy. You did not tell the answer now. So now look here. So these are the different pattern of numbers. These pattern of numbers are called sequence of numbers. What is the meaning of sequence of numbers? Means pattern of numbers having a common property or maybe different property. Sometimes you will see sequence, maybe first, third, fifth having a property, second, fourth, sixth having another property. These also sequences here. Okay, these are called what numbers? Sequence of numbers. And this is in this sequence, this is the first term, second term, third term. This one sequence. What is the first term? 1. Second term 2. Third term 4. Understood? The first term 1. Second term 1 by 2. Is it always first term is 1? No. So even terms also can be negative also. It is not that always positive. It can be opposite also, negative way also it can be no. Okay. Like if it is coming in, let's say as 1, minus 1 by 3, 1 by 9, minus 1 by 27. Plus minus also will be there. Are you followed? Okay, multiplying by minus 1 by 3. Again multiplying by minus 1 by 3. Multiplying by so plus minus this way, any order it can be there. Okay, this way. These are the pattern of numbers. Understood now? No. These are called its terms. Now, next is this is etc. means it's keep on infinite. Etc. You just put 3 dots in a. You don't write etc. Okay. Now you started. Virus is spreading from now. Okay, you become negative, so she become positive. Now, so this is the one sequence pattern of numbers. Okay, followed, etc. also followed.
Yeah.
Terms are denoted by T1, T2, T3, etc. Or A1, A2. A3, okay, he wanted to write A4, A4, or even capital T1, capital T2. These are the notation, okay. Whenever if you see me, what is the meaning of T1? First term of the sequence.
Yes.
What is the meaning of T2? Second term of the sequence. Or even A1. Is it difference between T1 and A1? No. Sorry, another somewhere if it is even A3, A2 means what? Second term of that sequence. The capital T3 means third term of the sequence. If you see this sequence, what is T1?
3.
T2?
7.
T3?
11.
Then that way you can find out. Are you followed or not?
Yes.
In this sequence, what is the A1? 1 by 2. A2?
1 by 3.
By 4. So I can write it as AN as 1 upon N. What is the meaning of AN? What do you mean by A1? First term. What do you mean by A2? Second term. What do you mean by A10? 10th term. What do you mean by A100? 100th term. What do you mean by AN? Nth term. What do you mean by AR? Rth term. Huh? Just study very good now. Okay. What do you mean by AX? Xth term. Okay, like that only. Okay, remember that one. Okay. Suppose if it is on, what is T1? First term. T2. What is T20? 20th term. T100. 100th term. Okay. TP. 30th term. Not time pass. Okay. So here. Understood now? So what is the meaning of A and B? Nth term means if you put n is equal to 1, here also put n is equal to 1. Here n is equal to 2. Here also n is equal to 2. When n is equal to 1, what will happen? Check. A1 is equal to 1 upon 1. When n is equal to 2, A2 is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay, here it is not 1, it is of the form plus 1. Now check A1, n is equal to 1 means what we get? 1 upon 1 plus 1, 1 by 2. What is A2? We check 1 upon 2 plus 1. What is 2 plus 1? 1 by 3. What do you mean by A3? Check 1 upon 3 plus 1, 1 by 4. Are you followed?
Yes.
So that means this is the formula for finding the term of the sequence.
So how will you identify that n is 3 or n is 2?
Just you a what do you mean by first term? A1. So replace n is equal to 1. What do you mean by A3? Third term. N is equal to 3 replace. If the question is how to, if the question it will be there now, find A3, find A5, like that. Okay. Here I can write as let's say Tn is equal to n square minus 1. That's when you followed why I said n square minus 1, you can make it as a formula form. Okay, other one also what you said it is correct, there is no problem, but formula making is little. So here you check, how will you find out the 10th term? How will you find, put n is equal to 10.
10 square minus
10 square minus 1, how much? 99. What is the 100? 100 square minus 1. Are you followed now?
Yes, sir.
So this is called the general term or nth term. What is the meaning of general term or nth term? Is we put that variable value, you will get a typical term. If it is find the fifth term, just replace n is equal to 5. So what will you get? T5 is equal to how much you will get? 5 square minus. Now 24. Some of them it's very difficult to make a formula this way. Okay. So there are, we don't need to do everything there. We have only one part only, that is AP, that I will get. Is it clear? Now there are another case sequences are there. You can write A1 is equal to let's say 3. AN is equal to let's say 2 AN minus 1 plus 4. Then n is greater than 1. Have you followed anything?
No.
This sequence is given by A1 is equal to 3. What do you mean by A1? First term. First term is how much? 3. When n greater than 1. When n greater than 1, an is equal to 2 times an minus 1 plus 4. Means if n is equal to 5, what will be replace n is equal to 5 and see what will you get? A5 is equal to, what will you get? 2 times 5 minus 1. What is it? A4 plus 4. If I put n is equal to 10, what will you get? A10 is equal to how much? 2A9 plus 4. If n is equal to 100, what will you get? A100 is equal to 299 plus 4. Are you following? If n is equal to 2, you replace n is equal to 2 there now. A2 is equal to 2 into A2 minus 1. What is 2 minus 1? A1 plus 4. If n is equal to 7, substitute. A7 is equal to 2 into A6 plus 4. Are you followed? Now, this is not the final answer. You should, to get the final answer, you should put the value of A4. Look here now. What is the meaning of T1? First term. Okay. A4 means the term which one? Fourth term. And this one. And remember, this n cannot be any fraction or something. N is always a natural number. Okay. N is, you cannot write A0 or A minus 1 alone.
And would be given in the question.
That will be then given the question now. What you have to find out, or you have to read question accordingly find out. Okay. Now, if you want to find out the fifth term, we wrote this one, but you cannot get direct. For getting this one, what we need to do means, you know, the first is we need A4. How will you get A4 means? First is, do you know what is A1 over there? What is the value of A1? A1 is 3. If I put n is equal to 2, what did you get? A2 is equal to 10.
2A1
A1 plus 4.
plus
That you can find out the value of this one. 2 times 3 plus 4. How much is coming? 10.
10.
Are you followed? How did you get A2?
Yes, sir.
Did you follow this one? Have you followed? Hey, all of you listen here. Those are not followed, listen. So A1 is equal to 3 followed. This is the question. When n is equal to 2, we replace n is equal to 2 over here. A2 is equal to 2 times A2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is A1 plus 4. we have the value of A1. How much? 3. We replace 2 into 3 plus 4. Are you followed now? So if I put a 3, n is equal to 3, what is equal to A3? A3 is equal to 2, A2 plus 4. Are you followed? Then what is the value of A2? 10. Therefore, what is done? 2 times 10 plus 4. How much? 4. Are you followed?
Yes, sir.
Now, how do you find out A4? Put n is equal to 4. Check what is is equal to 4 substitute. 2 times A3 plus 4. That is 2 into 24 plus 4. How much? 52. Now only A5. Put n is equal to 5. Only get 2 times A4 plus 4. That is 2 into what is the value of A4? 52 plus 4.
108.
108. Then it 100 plus 4 plus 4. Now check. In this one, to get A5, I have to find out A1, I have to find out A2, A3, A4. Then only I got A5. Imagine if I want to find out A100. Can you find what? We have to start with 1, all 99 terms, then only I can get. Whereas here I wrote this one. What is it? Now this one I wrote, what is the condition I wrote? Tn is equal to n square minus 1 now. Over there, how do I find out 100 term? Just put it. The 100 square minus. That is why different types of sequences are there. Okay, understood. Sometimes directly you get, sometimes the previous terms you have to find out, then only you get it. You will not get in the exam find the 100 terms. Okay, maybe first term, second term, third term. That will show you. Okay, follow the method. Identify the sequence. Think and do it. What is the way it is given? When you put n is equal to 1, what is it? N is equal to. Can you put n is equal to 1 here?
No.
Why? N is greater than 1. Very followed.
Yes.
Can you give n is equal to 12.5 here?
No.
Why?
I cannot.
N is only the natural number. Are you followed?
Yes, sir.
Everything. Is the pattern followed, all of you?
Yes, sir.
In this sequence, we will see these are called sequences. Now, sequences, that the word sequence is clear. Sequence means a pattern of number. Next word will come series. Nothing to do much. Only what these terms are connected by plus or minus. This is the series. Or this one. 1 plus 2 minus 1 plus 8 minus. This is the series. Okay, a sequence is joined with plus or minus, it becomes a series. Properties will remain the same only, nothing much. So find the next term in same property. What will be the next term? Plus 50.
Plus 50.
Plus, what will be plus minus means next is minus 60. Plus 33. Minus like that. Okay, that is only remember. We have nothing much to do, just only words I said only. Okay. Now, next comes to the word called progression. Here you see that the numbers are in a such increasing order, decreasing order, or any order comes. They are sequences. But progressions are in a specific pattern, an increasing pattern or a decreasing pattern and a common pattern. They are called progressions. In the progression, the first one is called arithmetic progression. We have to do that only. This chapter is done in the school. Yes or no? What is the name? What is arithmetic progression? That only know.
Sir, it was online.
It was
I
online.
didn't attended. Because we had morning class over here.
No. Okay, write down now. You write. Open the notebook. All of you. Okay. Right. Notebook. Write down. What is the heading? Arithmetic progression. In bracket, oh, you open the book. See. But the golden sheet cannot open. That's why you. You don't worry. Don't need a volume. I tell you now when it's required the volume. Don't worry. Return. Bracket you wrote AP. China you keep it open or closed open. Okay. Written AP.
Yes.
You know why I make you to close the books? Then only you will listen. Otherwise, you look in the book and sit over there. If you can look in the book and learn, then you don't need to sit over there. Don't want to sit in the book and learn. Okay. So Whenever you need to look the book, you look. Otherwise, you listen. AP, right? It is a sequence in which each term is obtained by. It is a sequence in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number. Obtained by adding a fixed number with the preceding term. Fixed number with the preceding preceding term. Adding a fixed number with the preceding term. In that statement, which word is not clear? Maybe preceding. Do you know what is meant by preceding? Previous. What did now read the question? Huh? Okay, previous. You followed. Okay. Now, so you have followed what is it? Just read what is it. It is a sequence in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number with the preceding term. So anyone can give an example of an AP? Think that any example. Those who know raise the hand. Yes, sir.
AN minus 1.
AN minus 1. Are give an AP example? Yes.
3, 5,
3, 5, 7,
dot,
9, etc. See, each term, this term is obtained by adding 2, then adding 2, adding 2, adding 2. This is an AP. No need to write anything. Listen. Can you give an example? You tell
4, 6.
why 2 only, some other numbers also you can write now. Let's say 2 plus 5. How much? 7 plus 5. 12 plus 5. Are you followed? Yes, can you give an example?
5, 10.
Oh, so 1 adding 5. Okay, 5, 10, 15, etc. Can you give an example? 9, 18. 9, 18. That comes AP now, adding 9. Okay. You tell and sign out an example. 2, 6, 10. One more. 6. Okay now. All of you followed? Everyone? So these all are AP. Why they are AP? Each term is obtained by adding a fixed number with the preceding term. Okay. Now right. The fixed number is called the common difference. The fixed number is called the common difference. Fixed number. We are adding a fixed number now. That fixed number is called common difference. Denoted by D. Small letter D. Common difference. Difference. Denoted by D. So what do you mean by common difference? The fixed number which is added with each term in an AP. That is called which one? Common difference. Small d, small letter. Okay, small letter. Understood all of you?
Yes.
Okay. Now here what is the value of D? 2. What is the value of D?
5, 9, 4.
4. Okay. How about this one?
Minus 3.
Is it an AP?
Yes.
Adding how much? Minus 3.
Minus
Okay.
0.
Is it an AP?
Yes, sir.
Adding 0. So the value of D can be positive, negative, or 0. Right now, value of D can be positive, negative, or 0. D can be positive, negative, or 0. Written?
Yes, sir.
Below right. If it is, look here. If it is T1, T2, T3, or A1, A2, A3, A5 can be written as, according to this definition, what is it? A4 plus D. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Each term is obtained by adding a fixed number with the preceding term. So that means A2 can be written as what? A1 plus D. A3 can be written as A2 plus D. A10 can be written as. Are you following all of you?
Yes, sir.
AN can be written as.
AN minus 1
AN
plus D.
One term before. What is it? AN minus 1. Plus C. Oh, this is plus B. Understood or not?
Yes.
Any term. A20 can be written as.
A9
One term before plus D. A100 is same as.
A99 plus D.
Right. In an AP. Aditya following.
Yes, sir.
Last class you are not there.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Sir, I was out of station.
Out to which station you went? Where did you go, yeah?
Mahabaleshwar.
Oh, nice now. What did you bring from Mahabaleshwar? Or here also one Yeah, right. In an AP, you're right. A2 is equal to A1 plus D. In an AP, IN, in AN, an AP. Yeah. Okay. Right, this all. Oh, right, this one. Right. Don't write this also. She will write that. Return to any two. No need to copy yourself. You write 2, 3. Only write this one. All of you should be. Anything you write. This one you should be there. All other. If you want to write A20. A20 is equal to. If I tell T20, then T19. Don't think that array somewhere I see A, somewhere I see T. All same thing. Okay, this much is clear. Therefore, A2 minus A1. What will be A2 minus A1? Let me hear. D. D, na? What is A3 minus A2? D is equal to A4 minus A3 equal to etc. will be equal to D. Is it or not? Check. Alright, this is the way to check whether it is an EP or not. Therefore, A2 minus A1. Okay. A3 minus A2. A4 equal to A4 minus A3.
Yes, sir.
Equal to etc. equal to D. What is D? What is D? Common difference. Fixed number is called the common difference. This way all of you followed.
Yes, sir.
Testa are you following? Aina is not sitting with you, no problem, no? No problem. Tell hi to her. What friendship they have? This girl is sitting over there. Huh? You sit separately. Let's see one day it's separately. As home, what will you do? Who is sitting with you? Mommy is sitting. Usually sit. Usually sit down. They all are there. Which is throwing the pants. Now listen. Nice. Now look here. What is A1 means?
First
First term is denoted by A. Common difference is denoted by D. So what will be the AP will come? A. Then what will be the next term? Plus D, no? AD. A plus D. What will be the next term? A plus 2D. Yes or no? D is adding the 2D. What will be the next term? A plus one more D, that is 3D. What will be the next term?
A plus 4D.
No.
So A is the first term now. So A plus B होगा.
A plus that what होगा?
Sir, the third term would be A plus B plus D.
Huh?
So the third term would be A plus B plus D. अच्छा हाँ A plus D okay sir. Yes sir.
A plus. 1D.
No, sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. This one, did this become okay now? Sure.
Yes.
So, no. China, you also problem? No problem. Huh? Not followed. I mean, we are adding you. How did we made here 3, 4, 2, 6, 10, etc. Plus that fixed number. So we D added. D and D can be added now. D and D can be added. Are you followed?
Yes.
Okay. So, understood or not? Okay, you're pulling her. So, right. This is okay, right? If A is the right, if A is the first term, A is the first term, and D is the common difference. D is the common difference. Then the AP is. Then the AP is this one. A. The next line, right? In one line, right? A plus B, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. It's written over there. Look, written over here. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. Get the board and write. Annika, are you there? I did not see you today. How are you? All fine? You're not there.
Sir, happily sleep.
Bye bye. Achi, you are there. Are you there? Yes, madam. Once in a while, speak now. You know which chapter we are doing? Do you know which chapter we are doing, Annika? All of you be quiet. Which chapter we are doing?
Arithmetic progression.
Oh, very good. Do you know what is an arithmetic progression chapter? What is AP? Here we moved from trigonometry. Like Nira become Neela, no. Trigonometry become AP. Okay, now listen. We know right. This is she's crying. Right. Right, written. Right, this is the general form. This. Mute. Mute yourself, Anika. This is the general form of an AP.
Yes, sir.
Mute. Anika, mute yourself. Okay. Okay. Yeah. General form of an AP. Okay. Of an AP. Now look here. Even what is an AP means? Just directly you can write. Tell what is it? It's the sequence of the form A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. Where A is the first term and D is the common. That also.
Yes.
Okay. Or even write the AP means this is AP. Means if you know A and if you know D, you can write AP. Yes or no? Darshan. A is equal to 4, D is equal to minus 3. What is the AP? What is the AP?
Minus 3.
All 4 is not there. Starting is 4 now. Yes.
4 plus 3. 4 minus 3. 4 minus
4 minus 3 is what?
1.
1. Minus 3. Minus 2. Minus 5. Then what? What is the AP means? What is the AP?
4 minus 3.
So 4 minus 2 tell no? You will not tell no? 4 minus 3 1 only no? Okay. This don't want it. Okay. Okay. China forward now. Sure. Ritika, if A is equal to 5, D is equal to 6. China will follow more. Okay, tell what's it. First starting with 5, then 11,
17, 23, 23.
are you following? What do you mean by D? That is the first statement you got now. What is an AP? Each term is obtained by adding a fixed number with the preceding term. So what is the first term? 5. Then fixed number is D6. Add. Again add. Again add. Again keep on add. 6.
Then what about that?
That is the form it is. If the number is not there, value. See, A. Next term, A plus D. Again add D. Plus D means A plus 2D. Here you don't have numbers. Okay. If X is the first term and Y is the common difference, what will be the AP? X. X plus Y. Again plus Y means what? X plus 2Y. Because this cannot be simplified.
Yes.
Here you can simplify and write. Number values again. Understood now?
Yes.
So can we follow this way? There is no problem now. These are easy now. If I give A and D, you can find out any AP.
Yes.
So that means and you can identify how it's an AP or not.
Yes.
If it is given us. Is it an AP?
No, sir.
How do you know?
The last term.
You will tell A2 minus A1. How much? 6. A3 minus A2. 6. A3 minus A4 minus A3. Is it enough? No, one more you have to check. Every term you have to check. Is it all? Is it 7? So they are not. Okay. Understood? No. So this is the first basic concept is clear. What is an AP? What do you mean by TN? TN and term. T1 is first term. In an AP, what is the first term?
T1.
What is in an AP? What is the first term? In an AP, what is the first term? In an AP, what is the first term? A. A. Very good. You don't know A is the first term. T1 is same as what? A. It is always a in an AP, what is the common difference? Why? We assumed now. So here also we assume what is the what? So you have to write, okay, then write common difference of A2 minus A2 is okay, problem. Okay, so in an AP, what is the first term? A. Okay, remember, it is a T1. What is the value of T1? A. What is second term? T2. T2 will be same as A plus D. Understood now? So remember what is the first term? A. What is the common difference? D. What is AP? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and going on. If the values are there, simplify and write. If the value of A and D is given, don't need to substitute and simplify. I'll write 5, 5 plus 6, 5 plus 2 times 6. No need to put. If you get same thing only, directly you can write 5 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Yes. Followed all of you? Sure. Yes. Please open it on textbook. Page number 84. Sorry, 94. Page number 94. What have you taken? Krishna. Krishna. Okay. 6.
5.1.
Hmm.
5.1.
Okay. 5.1 is taken. Sorry, not exercise 5.1. I said page 94.
Yeah.
Okay, you don't be taken the 5.9. Say Darshan, read arithmetic problem. All of you listen. You know, read.
List of numbers in the following. Start with the number chosen arbitrarily. Every successive number in the list is formed by adding the same number to the previous number. If we remove the starting number by A and the real number to be added by D, then the list may be presented by A in the
That which will leave, etc. Dots are there now. And dots means no need to dots. Till etc. Okay. Meaning it, and when you're writing, don't write etc. Here etc. Don't write this way. Understood now? Dot. Okay. Well, putting dot dot, we will not get dot dot dot, etc. Thank you, Darshan. Okay. Kushal, you have followed whatever Darshan read. Okay, then continue reading.
Central is for AP is solved. A is known as the first term and B is known as the common difference. The terms of AP are generally denoted by A1, A2, A3 or D1, A2, A3, etc.
Okay. Followed. Arush, you have followed. Okay, then continue reading.
First term, A1 equals to A, second term, A2 equals to A plus B, third term, A equals to A plus 2B and so on.
Okay, continue.
Common difference can be obtained by subtracting any term from the term that directly follows it. That is, B equals to A2 minus A1 equals to A3 minus A2 and so on.
Okay, all of you followed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Harshita, followed. Okay, Harshita. Change the extension. The reader. What read? You don't know.
Not
Read loudly.
When arithmetic progression is a list of numbers obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first one.
Except the first time, we don't know. Before first time, nothing is there to add. Okay, continue.
This number is called the common difference. Remember that it can be positive, negative, or zero.
Any problem? Mr. Anuj, continue reading.
In general,
In general, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. represents an arithmetic progression where A is the first term and D is the common difference. This is called the general form of an AP. In an AP, if there are only finite number of terms, such an AP is called finite AP. Otherwise, they are called infinite AP.
Are you followed? If not followed, look here. Suppose if I read 3, 9, 15, 21, next is coming as how much? 20, this one 7, etc. It is coming as 108. It is a finite. It ends over there. If I don't put this one, this is called what? Infinite. Where it is stopping is not here. Are you followed?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Therefore, that is called finite difference between finite and infinite. Okay. Okay, continue with Yadav.
okay. If you know what A and D are, you can test the AP. In an AP, every succeeding term is obtained by adding D to the preceding term. So D is found by subtracting any term from a succeeding term. That is, the term which immediately follows it should be same for an AP.
Are you followed, all of you? This page is followed now. Any problem? Solved examples are there now. These exercises. Are you okay now? You're feeling cold? You're feeling cold? Sujata is now. And Sujata is in. She's feeling cold. This way.
Sir, very sorry. No, only that one. That was these are Thanks, sir.
Channel. So when it was on, you did not tell.
You don't know.
Only 1 minute you little stay. And when we go stand outside, you see there surrounded by you. At home, you will sit full time ready for house in AC only.
Yes.
Chopra, tell mommy and then
16 page
Sir, people are नहीं करता होगा.
you go outside anytime.
Very sorry,
Are sir? Huh? Chalo. Okay then. So this is followed now. Okay, Saina, AC Saina. Princess Chopra. Okay, it says, no wonder. Okay, unsolved exercise 5.1 start thinking. And you don't think that much, you know. We're just telling fun only, okay? Don't worry. Don't take it seriously. Jeshta, your friend now. Tell her relax. What happened? Nobody else is talking to you, so you are the only one.
Sir,
Read
the first question we have to find.
the question, first one. First question, Jeshta, read.
Find out which of the following sequences are arithmetic progression. For those which are arithmetic progressions, find out the common difference.
So first you have to identify what are the AC. Okay, listen. No ACs. Okay. Okay, first is Captain Open. That
So,
nice. Have you seen anyone else in this one?
yes, sir.
That's nice to see you.
So,
Good. So first what you find out, identify whether it is an AP or not. Second, if it is an AP, what do you find out? Common. So right, first of all, what is the first sequence?
3, 6,
12, 24.
3, 6,
अरे वो मेरी खुद से ढूंढ के बैठी है
12, 24. Return is fine. Right. Write down A2 minus A1. A2 minus, write in your book. A2 minus A1 is equal to how much? 6 minus 3. 3. A3 minus A2 is equal to how much? 12 minus 6 is equal to how much? 6. Do we need to find out further?
No.
Not, they are not equal now.
Yes, sir.
So you write below. Therefore, A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2. Therefore, it's not an AP. Understood or not? Hello, followed or not?
yes sir
Huh? Achha, not an AP. Chotu sir, who is the Chotu sir?
sir then 0 3 8
40 ढूंढ के बैठी
that is also not an entry
Is it an AP?
sir वही तो आपको पूछ रही हूँ ना
You think, you tell me the sequence. Tell na. Tell what is the sequence?
0 3
Huh.
8
Huh.
16
Okay, check. What is 3 minus 0? What is 3 minus 0? What is 8 minus 3? 7.
7.
8 क्या
8 minus 3.
हाँ, 5
Alright, so both are equal. What is, both are equal? Oh.
You were not there, then it would
Even
have been-
check, check. What is 3? 8 minus 3? You check. If it is, who gave this example of an AP?
सर आपने ही तो दिया था
मैंने hello, hello. It's whatever is written in that question. It was not everything is in AP. Okay. Or Neela. 1 by 3, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, etc. Is it AP, Neela? All of you find out whether it's an AP. Those who feel it's an AP, tell AC. Yes. Those who feel it's not an AP, no. Is it an AP or not?
नहीं वो नहीं बोली
Huh? It is not an AP. So, okay, Neela, tell what is it? What is A2 minus A1? Hey, all of you be quiet. What is A2 minus A1? Baba. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2. No, you. LCM. 2 minus 3 minus 1 upon 6. What is A3 minus A2? 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3. LCM is how much? 12. 3 minus 4 minus 1 by 12. Are they in AP? No. Okay, Neela. No. Check 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Are they in AP, Neela?
हाँ
Sure.
Yeah.
Don't tell no. I'm going to show no.
हाँ okay okay
Pakka?
हाँ
Okay, then it's an AP. Okay, second question. What is second? 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6. No. Which question? That is not the question which I had done. Next question is what? 1 by 2,
1 by 2, 1 by 6 plus 6 by
etc. What is A2 minus A1?
1 by 4 minus 1 by 2.
Simplify. LCM 4. 1 minus 2. Minus 1 by 4. A3 minus A2. 1 by 6 minus 1 by 4. LCM. What is LCM?
Not AP.
LCM is not 8.
No, sir. LCM is 24.
LCM is 24.
Minus CD.
LCM is 12.
हाँ ठीक है
ठीक है.
simplify yes
So it is equal to minus 1 by 12. Not equal now. Therefore it's not an AP.
उनसे solve करा
Very good. Very good.
हाँ सर लेके छोड़ दो
Still long time.
Only 8.
8 minutes, you know? Okay. You can come. Okay. Means all of you do this. So follow now what you do.
yes
All
sir
of you do. Should I show one more?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, all of you do. Okay. Depends upon the mark you write the step. If it is a 1 mark and all, just directly write. If it is more than 1 mark, write the step. Here,
अगर कुछ क्वेश्चन में डॉट नहीं दिया क्या
no problem. Even look here. All of you listen. What is since he said, if it is given 3, 5, 7, 9, is it an AP?
No.
Why?
Yes, yes.
Just find out 5 minus 3.
DC में रहेगा
That's all. Dot 5, this is a finite AP. This may only 4 terms only in this AP. Okay. It's not necessary dot should be there.
तो फोर्थ में करने की जरूरत है जब उसमें 0 दिख रहा है ना
Look at it. So by C. By C, it's an AP. What else to write? Since I know that all of you write that. No. They are not ready. All of you know. Hey, sir, are you already? Are you okay? Overall, generally just go through. Then write common step. No need to show all this.
I asked you so many times.
No.
Said I have
Look
been
here,
repeating.
I'll tell you now. What is the question? 12 minus 2.
नहीं सर
That's my
It's right. Again, right. A2 minus A1. 2 minus 12. Minus 10. A3 minus A2. How much? Minus 8 minus 2.
सर नेक्स्ट टू
One only, no, then why there is okay, one only, but eight.
अरे पर सारे तो निकाल
You have to check.
21, 28 वाला
You have to check. If it is minus 18, minus plus. Understood this? Police four terms only, no? If it is lot of terms. If it is lot of terms are there, just go through and see that one. No need to write everything.
more than 4 minutes
A2 minus A1 is equal to A. But you have to check is it equal or not. Okay. Fourth one you write. I will tell the step. What is sinus problem? Okay. It is and AP. Okay, sinus. What is the fourth one? Tell me. Read the question. Okay, so right. A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. How many terms are there? A4 minus A3 equal to etc. equal to 0. It's an AP. Finish.
तो सर ये पहले नहीं बोल सकते थे
What is you talking at me?
भाई तो मैंने वन
After we call you princess, that is why.
अच्छा नाम चेंज न्यू नेम
Princess.
Sir, on days.
Who doesn't want AC? Who does not need AC?
That's it. मुझसे नहीं होता ये सर बाहर खड़ा करो
नहीं सर
तो पता है किसी में नहीं
ये We class में नहीं है कुछ और के।
अब तो do the question. Or
मैं फोन पे हूँ।
okay, 4 sign up for 3. Aryan, are you following? Are you seriously do now? Study well. Next exam you should get good marks. Okay. Otherwise you come from Panvel and you do not get any marks, then I feel bad. You are in Panvel branch.
बता भी नहीं।
Okay, stop now.
One हो गया।
No. No, you also start behaving like China. Very good China.
Sir, will you explain the first one?
Yes, sir. Who is one planning to explain?
Sir, I did it.
Neela was explaining now.
Yes, sir, Neela.
Sir, मैं फोन पे हूँ।
Okay, 3 she is counting. She is right. 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 0. How many 3s are there? 4. I said 4 times 0 0 na? Smart girl. Not an AP. It's an AP not. No. And it don't write it detailed way. What is the first A2 minus A1 find out? What is what is A2 minus A? A2 is how much? A plus 1 plus B minus A minus B is equal to 1. Finish.
Okay.
Okay, be happy. A plus 1 plus B minus A minus B equal to 1. Happy now? Then write A3 minus A2. A plus 2, sorry, A plus 1 plus B plus 1. Bracket minus A plus 1 plus B. A plus 1 plus B plus 1 minus A minus B equal to 1. Happy now? Okay or not?
Yes, sir.
Zero. That is looking itself, you should identify. You think, first you look, is it one is coming, next one? If you can identify, then right. A4 minus A3 also same thing will come now. Should I write? A plus 2 plus B plus 1 minus A plus 1 plus B plus 1. Look, if you can identify, then directly write. If you cannot identify, you have to do it now. Is equal to 1. Pakka hai kya? Is it? Are you sure? Then write. You wrote now 2. You wrote 2 steps now. Then below write A4 minus A3 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to A2 minus A1. Not that every step you have to show is equal to 1. It's an AP.
Can I go?
Where you go?
Breakfast.
Okay. Okay, chalo bye. Enjoy your day. Have a nice day. Okay, after this.
Yes, last time.